Granting land titles to deserving agriculture students may just be the incentive to help turn them into a career in farming. This pivot in the selection of agrarian reform beneficiaries is the incentivization that could well jumpstart a trend of Gen Z and millennials joining the farming bandwagon, as our Kenneth Paciente reports the President's CLOA distribution in Palawan.
For 27 years, Erlinda has been farming on land that she does not own. Although they earn from selling their crops, they still cannot shake off the worry that at any moment, they might lose their main source of livelihood.
Napakahirap po kasi hindi namin sa sarili namin na anytime pwede kaming maalis po doon dahil wala pa kaming katibayan na lupa namin ang sinasaka po namin.
But Erlinda can now breathe a sigh of relief because today, she was one of the thousands of farmers in Palawan who received a land title presented by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. himself. According to the President, this is the government's recognition of the farmers who play a vital role in food security. But he emphasized this does not end with the distribution of titles. It also includes supporting them in improving their farmlands, and erasing the debts incurred as a result.
Kasama din po dyan ay yung mga matagal nang nag-aantay doon sa kanilang CLOA at inaalala yung amortisasyon ay tinanggal na po natin yung utang na yun. Kaya yung mga matagal nang nag-aantay at nag-aalala doon sa pagbayad nila ng amortisasyon ay hindi nyo na po kailangan alalahanin yun dahil binura na natin ang utang na yan.
Young graduates with degrees in agriculture also receive titles, which the President said is the government's way of encouraging them to use their knowledge to strengthen agriculture in the country.
Dahil marami po sa kabataan ay hindi nauunawaan at hindi naiisip ang agrikultura, kaya kung saan-saan ibang trabaho ang pumapasok. Ngunit kailangan natin ng mga magsasaka. Yung kanilang natutunan ay meron silang paglalagyan, meron silang magagamit na lupa para magamit naman nila ang kanilang bagong natutunan tungkol sa agrikultura.
As such, the beneficiaries expressed immense gratitude.
Nakapaka-proud po namin na sa tagal ng panahon, hindi namin sukat akalain na may ibibigay mismo sa amin yung lupa na ito na sinasaka namin at sobrang thank you po.
Doon nakita namin talaga yung suporta ng ating Pangulo sa mga magsasakang katulad namin.
The Chief Executive also led the ceremonial turnover of farm-to-market roads programs with a total value of more than 44 million pesos. This aimed to improve connectivity in the area as well as ensure faster delivery of farmers' agricultural products to the market to guarantee their incomes.
Batid namin ang paghihirap ng ating mga magsasaka, lalo na ang mga nagtatanim sa malalayong lugar. Hindi lamang kumakain ng oras ang mahabang paglalakbay, kung hindi ay maaari ding magdulot ng karagdagang gastos. Mas lalakas ang inyong kakayahang magdala ng mga produkto sa pamimilihan nang hindi kinakailangan mag-alala tungkol sa posibleng pagkasira ng inyong ani.
Included in that project are the Busuanga to Karuray, Sitio Nalbot to Arado, and San Nicolas to Sitio Canyogan farm-to-market roads. From Coron, Palawan, Kenneth Paciente from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.